Hello guys, welcome to the Global Online YouTube channel. I'm Arvind and in today's session we are diving into some crucial MCQs for the CTET 2024 exam. Whether you are just starting your CTET journey or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is packed with everything you need. I'll be going over each question with its correct answer followed by the clear explanation to help you understand the concepts better. So let's get started. So the question is, what is the day called when the sun is exactly overhead? The options are given. Option A, solar noonday. Option B, zero shadow day. Option C, mid shadow day. And option D, all of the above. So students, a shadow day occurs when the sun is exactly overhead at a particular place. During this event, objects do not cast a shadow for a short period. Because the sun is directly above them, this phenomenon happens twice a year in locations between Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The solar noon on this day makes shadow disappear temporarily. So the correct answer for this question will be solar noonday, option A. Let's move to the next question. The chemical symbol for silver is, options are given, A, Si, B, Ca, C, Ag and D, Fe. So guys, the chemical symbol for silver is Ag, which comes from the Latin word argentum. Silver is precious metal used in various applications including jewelry and electronics. The other symbol corresponds to different elements. Si is a silicon, Ca is a calcium and Fe is iron. So the correct answer for this question will be option C, Ag. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is the best conductor of electricity? Options are given. Option A, wood. Option B, wool. Option C, silver. Option D, aluminium. So students, silver is the best conductor of electricity among all the options. It allows the free flow of electrical current due to its low resistance, while aluminium is also a good conductor and often used in electric wiring. Silver has the highest conductivity. Wood and wool are insulators and do not conduct electricity. So the correct answer from this option is option C, silver. Guys, before moving forward, I would like to introduce Global Online's complete CTET 2024 course, covering all the subjects with the full syllabus. You will get the access to video lectures and interactive live classes from expert educators. In this course, we have complete syllabus notes, topic-wise MCQs and mock tests to sharpen your skills. This course is made specially for CTET 2024 aspirants, giving you every tool you need for the success. For more details, contact us on WhatsApp on the given numbers, or you can simply download Global Online app from Play Store. Next question is, the gravitational force of the earth is always dash dash to an object moving upwards. Options are given: at an angle, parallel, in the same direction, in the opposite direction. Guys, the earth's gravitational force always acts in the opposite direction to the motion of an object. When an object moves upwards, gravity pulls it back down towards the earth, resisting its upward motion. This is why objects fall back to the ground when thrown up or released. So the correct option is option D, in the opposite direction. Moving on to the next question. The common pathway that carries urine and sperm in human male is dash dash. Options are given. Option A, ureter. Option B, urethra. Option C, vas deferens. Option D, blood vessel. So students, in human males, the urethra serve as a common pathway for both urine and sperm. It carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body and also transports sperm during ejaculation. The vas deferens is included in transporting sperms, while the ureter carries urine from the kidneys to the bladder. So the correct option is option B, urethra. Let's move on to the next question. What is the term for the star that becomes extinct due to the depletion of hydrogen supply? Option A, nebula. Option B, binary star. Option C, proxima. Option D, white dwarf. A white dwarf is a type of a star that forms when a star exhausts its hydrogen fuel that can no longer sustain nuclear fusion. As the hydrogen supply runs out, the star sheds its outer layer and the remaining core becomes a white dwarf. This is a dim, dense object that no longer shines by nuclear fusion, but it still emits heat and light for a long time. So the correct answer from the option is option D, white dwarf. The next question is, lactic acid is found in dash dash. Options are given: A, orange, B, tea, C, curd and D, vinegar. So lactic acid is found in a curd, or we also call it yogurt. It is produced during the fermentation process when bacteria break down lactose, which is a milk sugar, into lactic acid. This gives curd its sour taste. Lactic acid is not present in significant amount in oranges, tea or vinegar. So the correct answer among the option is option C, curd. Next question is, petrol and diesel are examples of dash dash energy. Options are given: option A liquid, option B potential, option C kinetic, and option D fossil. So guys, in case of petrol and diesel are examples of fossil fuels which are derived from the remains of ancient plants and animals. These fuels store chemical energy which can be released through combustion to produce energy. They are not considered as a liquid, potential or kinetic energy form, although they are in liquid form and can be used to generate kinetic energy in engines. So the correct option for this question is option D, fossils. Let's move on to the next question. The process in which a substance changes from the gaseous state to the liquid state is called dash dash. Option A, condensation, option B, sublimation, option C, evaporation, and option D, emission. So condensation is the process in which a substance changes from the gaseous state to the liquid state. This happens when the gas cools down and its particles lose energy, causing them to come closer together and form a liquid. Examples include water droplets forming on a cold surface or on the outside of a glass containing a cold drink. Next question is, which of the following metal does not react with water? Options are given: zinc and lead, lead and mercury, mercury and zinc, copper and silver. Copper and silver do not react with water under normal conditions. These metals are relatively unreactive with water. On the other hand, metals like zinc and lead can react with water under certain conditions. And mercury is a liquid at a room temperature and does not react with water either. However, copper and silver remains unaffected. So the correct option is option D, copper and silver. So guys, that's all for today's session on CTET 2024. I hope you found the questions, answers and explanation helpful in your preparation. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the Global Online YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep practicing, keep learning, and together we will make sure you are ready to ace the CTET 2024. For any queries or more resources, feel free to connect with us through the details provided in the description below. Thank you for joining me today. Keep pushing forward. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.